Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply different styles to your components. So here we have a product card and we're going to see how to apply flat design style, Neumorphism style, dark mode style, and Glassmorphism style, and others. Alright, let's begin. So here is my prompt, and you're going to find it in the description down below. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate high HTML for product card, strictly following the provided components and instruction. So here is the list of my instruction, where I list the resource and assets, and then the output format. Then for my component, it's just a simple product card with product image, product title, product description, price, and add to cart button. All right. And we also need to have a code editor, and also created a new HTML page. So here we go. Let's get started. Let me copy this prompt and just give it to ChatGPT to generate our product card. And then from this, whatever ChatGPT will give us, we're going to start apply styles to our card until we find the best style to our card design. All right, let's copy the code. And this is gonna be just an example. I'm gonna pass it to my index.html and open it in my browser right here. All right, so just have a card. So I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to center the card to the window, to the page. All right, let's go and have our card centered. That's better. All right. Now we're gonna apply different styles to our card. But first I'm gonna, let's go and to my styles. So here I have a list of prompt for each style. I'm gonna try first to apply a flat design. I'm gonna just pass that here. Apply flat design style with bold, vibrant color, minimalist icons, clean and crisp typography. Let's go and now see how ChatGPT can add this style. So here we have a brief. Here's updated flat design version of the product card following your instruction with bold, vibrant colors, minimalist icons, and clean typography while maintaining a minimal and streamlined look. All right, let's copy the code. Past here. Fresh. So as you can see, the style has changed. We have more room here. It's simple. I have some problem with this border, but it's just for the example. Let's go and apply another style. So this is a minimalist style. I'm gonna first remove the previous style and apply a minimalist design that emphasizes clean line, ample white space, and simple typography. Let's copy the code. Command A, Command V. here we go. We have our minimalist style. So it's just black and white components on a white background. So that's super minimalist. We can work our style more and more. We can tell ChatGPT to add some colors and some effect of hover with shadow. But let's go and keep let me try this dark mode design. So let's apply this. Let's apply dark mode. We remove the previous style and also make sure the position of my components stay the same, and then apply a dark mode using dark background and high contrast. Light color elements ensure readability and accessibility. All right, sometimes on each output, ChatGPT will change the position of your card, maybe the size. So it's important to emphasize the fact that you must not change anything, just change the style. So here is our code of a dark mode card. Copy and paste. All right, here we have our card. As you can see, it looks very good with this subtle border and this gray color against this black. That's nice. Now let's try another effect. Let's try this Neumorphism. Alright, remove the previous style and apply a Neumorphism or soft UI style with subtle shadow and highlight to create a 3D-like appearance. Alright, let's copy the code. And I find this style is the most interesting of all the style because it's so hard to make manually. Alright, as you can see, we have some kind of 3D effect. And look, this is the hover. This card looks realistic. Alright, let's go and add one last style, which is the Glassmorphism. The Glassmorphism style. So this is the glass effect style. Let's copy. And here I'm gonna remove the previous style and apply this. I'm gonna give it a background. So I'm gonna go to Unsplash because this effect is better on a background. Gradient. Let's pick this. Let's open in a new tab. And let's copy the link. Add a blur to the background of the page and use this image as a background. All right. Now here's the updated version of the product card. Applying the Glassmorphism style, this design features colorful bouquet background, translated frosted elements, glassy button and icon. All right, let's copy the code. Sorry, Command A, then Command V, and Command S to save. And as you can see, look how much this beautiful card look. All right, so this is our glass effect, and you can always improve this style by giving ChatGPT more feedback. Like we can change the button to make it more glassy. And that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have learned how to apply different styles to your components. I'm gonna leave all the prompts in the description down below. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite style. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next video.